Hello there. Good morning. Steve Martin. Come walk with me. I am Uptown, Charlotte, North Carolina. And it is a beautiful fall day. The fall has just begun. You know that's true when it goes from 90 one day to 70 degrees the next. Thank you, Lord. We are in Romare Bearden Park. There's a wonderful park in the middle of the city. I'm on my way to work. I have a few more times at the Charlotte Center City Partners accounting contracting job that I have. Thank you to my good boss, Elaine, who keeps finding work for me. I'll let you listen to the sound of the water. As we enter the fall season, I trust you're doing well, preparing spiritually, naturally, for what the Lord has in store for His people. Times are changing, and we need to draw closer to Him. So as you start your day or evening, or even during the afternoon as you're watching this, I pray the Lord will instruct you and teach you. And you have an open heart to hear Him. Okay, as He calls you, speaks to you, and to walk in His ways. So then you will prosper and be in good health. And you will be a good example to others who are following, whether you realize it or not. Shalom.